Hi, everybody. Welcome to week one of the Poetry Bootcamp. Even though I may look like one, please don't call me Sergeant. I asked you guys what books of poetry you would want to take with you or have with you if you were stranded on a deserted island. And I think it's only fair that I do the same for you guys. So the three books that I would take, at least at this point in my life, are Mona Van Dyne's Selected Poems. She was one of my teachers. She was a poet who wrote about true things in true ways. We take Zbigniew Herbert's collected poems. He's a Polish poet from the mid to late 20th century. Very good poet. And finally, I would take W.S. Merwin's Migration, which is almost a collected poems volume, though it's almost impossible. He's written so many poems it would be impossible to put all of his poems in one volume. But anyway, those would be the books that I take with me. Quick review of week one. You have a journal assignment due. It is tied to attendance, due on Monday. There's the standard student identity authentication video. There's a course ethics agreement to review. And in the readings and discussion board, there are some essays to look at. And you're going to post a poem that you've written previously. And you'll answer the survey questions and come up with one question you'd like to ask the workshop about that work. In preparation for week two, there are a few examples of love poems. You might want to take a look at those and take a look at the specific form constraints that we'll be using for week two. Also, don't forget to visit the Poets Coffee Room. That's a discussion place for you guys to connect. And an explanation and instructions on how to access that are in the week one modules. I think that's about it. So I will see you online throughout the week.